Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to delete your account in DeepSeek AI. For that, first you have to open any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. And after that, you can see this search bar on the top. Click on it and type in DeepSeek. Now it will lead you to this home page, and here you can see two different options. If you want to download the DeepSeek app, you can click on this option here, and if you want to just use it on this website, then you can click on this start now. After that, you have to make sure that you are logged into your account, and after you log into your account, you can see this option which says my profile on the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on your profile, and here you can see different options. Click on settings. Now click on this profile option. Here you can see this delete account option. Click on this red button which says delete. Click on it. Now it is going to ask for the reconfirmation, and to delete your account permanently, you have to type in delete my account in this field here, and make sure you write it in caps lock. After you have typed it correctly, you can see this confirm delete my account option. Click on it to delete your account permanently. Following this simple and easy step, you can delete your account in DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.